Battery warning ruined your rhythm? Not anymore. Today we rank the top 5 power banks for the Meta Quest 2. Real capacities, power delivery, weight, and smart mounting. So you play longer, lighter, safer. Here are the best options to keep your headset alive and your games rolling. Number 5. Inayu Pocket Rocket P50. Think small, light, ready to go. The Inayu Pocket Rocket P50 sits in that perfect 10,000 mAh sweet spot. Big enough to extend MetaQuest 2 sessions by hours, but slim enough to mount on a rear head strap as a counterweight. Look for the version with USB-C power delivery output at 18 watts or higher. That's the key to maintaining or gaining charge while playing instead of slowly draining. Many Inayu variants include multiple ports, typically one USB-C in-out, and at least one USB-A, plus a clear battery readout so you always know your remaining juice. For Quest 2 ergonomics, mount it behind your head with Velcro or a clip so it doubles as a balance weight. You'll feel less front pressure on your cheeks and forehead. A compact 10,000 like this typically turns short play windows into multi-hour sessions, and then still has enough left to charge your phone, earbuds, or controller dock. It's a travel-friendly bank that's strong enough for in-play charging, light enough for comfort, and practical enough to live in your everyday tech kit. Number 4. Anker PowerCore 10K. Compact, trusted, no drama power. The Anker PowerCore 10,000 hits the sweet spot for MetaQuest 2 owners who want extended playtime without a brick on their head. You get 10,000 mAh of capacity in a lightweight body, plus 18-watt USB-C output that can maintain or slowly add charge while you play, depending on the app's power draw. There's USB-C in-out for modern gear and a USB-A port for legacy cables, so it doubles as your everyday phone saver. The rounded, low-profile shape is easy to Velcro onto the rear of your strap as a counterweight, reducing front-face pressure, comfort, balance, longer sessions. A simple 4 LED fuel gauge makes it easy to check remaining juice at a glance, and Anker's safety suite keeps things safe and stable. If you don't need a massive 20,000 mAh pack and you value reliability, portability, and clean power, the PowerCore 10K is a set-and-forget, everyday carry winner. Number 3. Bobover M2 Pro Battery Strap. Comfort, balance, endless power, built right into the strap. The Bobover M2 Pro replaces your stock head strap with a halo-style design that shifts weight to the top and back of your head, then adds a magnetic, hot-swappable battery pack, about 5,200 mAh, on the rear as a natural counterweight. The MetaQuest 2 feels lighter up front, pressure on the face drops, and sessions run much longer without neck strain. The secret sauce is the snap-on battery module that docks to the rear mount with strong magnets. When the pack runs low, you can swap in seconds. No reboot, no straps off dance, so your built-in headset battery keeps the game alive while you click a fresh pack into place. Grab an extra battery, or 2, and you've basically unlocked Marathon VR. For cable clutter, the included short USB-C lead routes cleanly along the strap. Tidy, secure, out of sight. The M2 Pro's adjustable top band and rear dial let you fine-tune fit, distributing pressure more evenly than soft straps. Fitness titles, rhythm games, long social sessions, everything feels more stable and balanced. If your priorities are comfort, runtime, and easy swaps, this strap is a game changer for the Quest 2. Number 2. Anker PowerCore 20K. The Anker PowerCore 20K is the marathon choice for MetaQuest 2 players who want long runtime without babysitting the battery. Its 20,000 mAh capacity can power multi-hour sessions or fully recharge your headset multiple times, while USB-C PD deliver up to 20 watts helps the Quest 2 maintain or gain charge during play, depending on the game's power draw. Use the USB-C in-out for the headset and the extra USB-A port for accessories. Then mount the bank as a rear counterweight or stash it in a pocket with a soft, flexible USB-C to USB-C cable to keep movement natural. Anker's safety features, over voltage, over current, and temperature control keep power stable and safe, and the simple LED indicators make it easy to check remaining juice at a glance. If your VR nights turn into VR marathons, this is the big tank, dependable, no drama pick. Number 1. Rebuff Reality VR Power 2. The Rebuff Reality VR Power 2 is designed specifically for the Oculus Quest 2, combining a 10,000 mAh battery with a rear strap-mounted counterweight, so your headset feels lighter, steadier, more comfy. Instead of dangling a brick from a cable, this unit nests cleanly at the back of your head, shifting weight away from your face and reducing cheek and forehead pressure. A short, tidy USB-C lead routes along the strap for in-play charging, and the high output USB-C port is tuned to maintain charge during gameplay. Setup is simple. Attach the cradle, click in the pack, connect the cable, and you're off. Practical touches like clear charge indicators and extra ports for small accessories make it feel VR native, not just another phone bank. Real-world results include longer sessions, better balance, less neck fatigue, and fewer breaks to hunt for a wall outlet. If you want a clean, integrated, comfort-first solution instead of a generic battery, the Rebuff Reality VR Power 2 is the top pick. That's our list, from tiny titans to VR-specific strap packs, so your Quest 2 can go from short bursts to all-night adventures. Which power solution fits your playstyle? Drop your pick and your favorite game in the comments. Let's help each other build the perfect, comfy, long play setup.